Guys, how's it going? Thank you for stopping by. I was looking at eBay today and I figured I'd show you guys a few things I'm looking at. And as you guys could see on the screen, I'm starting with Hamilton khaki. Now, if you guys don't know or not very familiar with eBay, they do promotions where they give you 8% eBay bucks, 10% eBay bucks, and I love these promotions because it's like a quick rebate. They don't take that percentage out of the top of the price. What they do is you get a rebate like every 3 months. I just got one in October, and what I do with it, I'll go out and I'll buy. I'll spend it on. You have to spend it on eBay actually. So I try to accumulate enough for a quarter ounce of gold or a half an ounce of gold or another watch, whatever. But I like to take advantage of eBay's offers. And today I'm going to give you a few watches that I've been looking at. And this one, I think it was a I think it's a great price, $169. It is a quartz watch. So I am going to be moving up here. And as you can see here, I am going to highlight it. You get $13.52 off. So basically, with free shipping, we could round it off at 150 some dollars, which is not bad. I know these Hamiltons come with a high-end strap, and it's a nice watch. It's a big watch. It's a nice, good work watch that I thought it's something really good. Even if you don't buy a lot on eBay, $13 to get you a decent strap, and don't tell me there's no straps for $13 because I'm seeing right here one NATO for $9.99, and that's a decent strap right there. And right here, I'm pulling it up. There's a khaki field for 360. Yes, it is an automatic, but if you don't want to spend that kind of money, you have this one here for the one about 155, discounting the eBay bucks. For me personally, these type of watches are great. They are as is partial repair. Now, beautiful watches. I like them a lot. You got a memo box and or an alarm, yeah, memo box alarm, and you had to have a time only with the two-tone dial. This is right here. It's a beautiful military style watch. Look at the lugs, just great lugs on that watch, and this is what I look for. Even if they're not working, I know I could get them. If I could get at least one to work, I know my money would be there, and they're just great watches. So this still has 2 days to go, and this is going to be something I'm going to be putting my 2 cents into. Something like this right now, the bid is $207, so I know I could go up to like about $400 on the pair, and if you could see on this one, it doesn't qualify for eBay. Well, it does qualify for 10% eBay bucks, which is $2. So, um, no, $2 or 200 would be $20. So this one is not qualifying probably for the promotion of the 8 or 10% of eBay bucks. But just want to show you guys this is something that I would be really interested in. Another watch I would love to have, or I do have it already, and I think it's a great watch, and I think it's a great deal. If you see up here, it's $267, and if we scroll down, it's giving you $21.36 on eBay bucks. So, and still, it's a or best offer, and I think if you offer him probably $240, $230, let's say, I think he'll take it, the 230, and you'll still be able to get like about $19 back. So that would put this incredible Seiko Paddy, which is much better than the SKX, at around the $210 range, and I think that's an incredible deal. So this is one of the watches that I highly recommend. I own one. I paid full price when I got it. I had to have it, and I paid full price for mine. And I think these are really, really good watches. And for that kind of money right now with the eBay bucks, I mean it's something to consider, guys. Here's another decent piece. It's a Omega Pen. I like the watch. I love I love the listings where they put crappy pictures. These are terrible pictures of the watch. I It looks to be gold capped. This watch will not be gold toned. The band will be gold toned, but the watch will be gold, 14 karat gold cap. And honestly, he's not asking a lot for the watch. If you don't intend to flip it, if you intend to keep it, this is a pretty good watch. And I read the description. He just spent $350 in an original crystal. I'll get right here. And disclaimer, I don't know these people. I'm just browsing through eBay. So this is a video I'm making that I know none of the sellers here. So it's just some watches that I thought were particularly decent deals. And you can see here, he puts it on the description what he spent. And right here, watchmakers always leave their mark on the back of the watch. And it was recently serviced this year. This is an incredible watch. I like it. The price, it's not a fantastic price, but it's not a bad price. I don't know what happened there. And on this watch, you will be getting $100 eBay bucks. So $100 even, you could be buying this watch for $11.50, which is not a terrible price. I've seen websites where they're asking $2,000 for a Omega Pi-Pan Constellation. So I thought this was a particularly decent watch, and if it's serviced and everything, that you could knock out another $300 that you're not going to be paying for the service anytime soon. So you're basically paying under $800 for this watch, because you could buy another one for around that amount of money. But then by the time you service it, you put a new crystal in it. You know what I'm saying. You know where I'm going. So I thought this was a good watch. The last one I want to show you guys. If you're not into the 36 millimeter, this is going to be a full 38 millimeter. This is a nice watch. They're asking $899 for this watch. And you're getting $72 back in eBay bucks. So basically you're paying $820-ish for the watch, which is not a great deal, but it's not a bad deal. I have not read the description on this watch, but dial looks nice, big and original. I like the black accents, and I like that picture. That's a good picture with the hand. And I'll get to this picture right here. Look at the corner of the watch. I'll put an arrow. The watch is gold cap, it's not gold fill. So that's very important, guys. That means that your gold tone will never decolorate. That means that it has a small layer of 14 karat gold. I like the observatory. I like the stars. They're nice and bright, as I like to say. You know, the detail is all there. That means the watch hasn't been worn that much, and it looks good, guys. It looks good. Like I said, it's not an excellent deal for $899, and you get $72 back. Other thing I do, every time I buy a watch on eBay, I am going to use American Express. I use American Express and I get the points out of there. And I've stayed in luxury hotels for free. I mean, that's another 2% that you're getting back on the watch. So 2% plus the eBay bucks. I don't think it's a bad deal, guys. So and I like using American Express because I get my triple layer protection. I get my my American Express protection, my PayPal protection, and eBay protection. And you as a buyer, don't be worried about eBay. eBay will protect you above anything and everything. eBay is the best place to buy watches as a buyer, because you could say anything to eBay and they will refund your money in an instant. So as a buyer, you're buying a watch here risk-free. So guys, tell me, what do you think about these videos? If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but since I got the promotion for the eBay bucks, I've been hunting for watches and for other stuff that I like to buy on eBay. I figure I'd make a quick video out of it. So guys, thank you so much. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.